On today's podcast, we'll be discussing tips about fire safety, week 1, so stay tuned. Welcome to Warehouse Safety Tips. If you're a seasoned vodcast viewer, this vodcast is going to be different from most that you watch. It's based around exactly what the name implies, warehouse safety tips. And since the people in this industry are busy, we know that time is money, so each episode will be as short and to the point as possible. And now, with all that out of the way, let's get to the vodcast. Fire safety is a top priority in any warehouse or factory setting. Neglecting proper precautions can lead to devastating consequences, including property damage, injuries, and even death. To ensure we and our fellow staff enjoy a safe working environment, we must keep fire safety at the forefront so that every worker understands and follows the rules, regulations, and guidelines set forth by our facilities. Here are 4 tips to get you started. Number 1, know your fire hazards. Understand the specific risks in your warehouse and be aware of the dangers from chemicals, flammable materials, and more. Number 2, understand safety data sheets. Access and read safety data sheets for all warehouse materials and learn proper handling, storage, and emergency procedures related to them. Number 3, conduct regular trainings and drills. Train all employees in fire safety procedures and hold regular fire drills to keep everyone prepared. And last but certainly not least, number 4, maintain proper storage and housekeeping. Store hazardous materials according to guidelines and keep your warehouse clean and organized to reduce fire risks. Remember, fire safety is not just a task for a few, but a shared responsibility for all. By following these tips and staying vigilant, you're keeping yourself and your colleagues safe. If you have any questions or concerns about fire safety in your workplace, don't hesitate to speak with your supervisor or safety representative. Together, we can create a secure working environment. Thank you for being part of another episode of Warehouse Safety Tips. Until we meet next time, have a great week and stay safe. Before moving on, here's a word from one of our sponsors. If you've ever been to or worked in a warehouse, you know just how important safety is to both management and staff. It's almost impossible to go 10 steps without seeing safety tape, angles, signs, and/or safety products. It's these items that show us how to be safe and avoid danger in the workplace. And if you're looking for the best products to make this happen, look no further than Mighty Line. Mighty Line floor signs and floor markings offer the best industrial products out there. We're proud to have Mighty Line as the official floor sign and floor marking company for the Warehouse Safety Tips podcast and site. Go to mightylinetape.com/safety tips to request a sample pack of their incredible safety signs and floor markings. We hope you enjoyed this episode of Warehouse Safety Tips. If you visit warehousesafetytips.com, you'll find the show notes for this episode and access to all of our blog posts, previous podcasts, advertiser information, and much more. Thank you for listening to Warehouse Safety Tips and have a safe day.